Ed Gainey, Community Development Specialist, the Mayor's Office. I believe in these conversations. I think it was a great conversation today. Whenever we talk about what we need to do to gain resources to help the next generation understand their destiny, understand what they need to do in order to be successful adults, it's a tremendous conversation to have. We need more of this dialogue, but also we need to focus on how we get our own resources in order to make the transition happen. So I like the road that they're going on by talking about what can we do to help our own community. That's a conversation that needs to continue to happen.